Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrade.com. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. This is our midweek update. It's Wednesday. The Fed has come and gone, and the market has basically yawned. It's been a very quiet day overall here in the markets. Not a ton going on. We're still trading inside yesterday's candle. Not much to see here as we head into big earnings tonight. Tonight we have Tesla, Microsoft, and Meta, IBM, Lam Research, ServiceNow, Western Digital's in there. Tomorrow morning we have UPS. Um, Caterpillar and MasterCard. And tomorrow night we have Apple, of course. So big, big, big couple earnings days coming on tech here. Inside day on the SPY volume is very low. We're only 25 million shares, and it really got elevated in late. You had this wild dip on Trump talking about further export controls on NVIDIA chips, and then it was bought back. This came down this far because there was no volume today, and they just overwhelmed the buyers that were there on the algos, and they quickly bought it back up. Powell has spoke. He came in, and you can see we had a very little reaction here at 2 o'clock to the speech. Basically, if you're a betting man, there's no rate cut coming in March. They maybe get one in May, but probably not to June would be my take on that. And we'll see where we go from there. Now we don't need to worry about it, although they'll talk at length as we come up. Overall, inside day still didn't finish moving up, didn't go down. Pretty quiet. Well, let's come up. Bitcoin is popping here. Powell's final comments were on Bitcoin, and they were positive. So nice move there. The Qs. Nothing to see here, similar to the SPY, still staring at that gap. Bonds today all over the place, but pretty much flat. The VIX saying not much going on here. The financials put a new all-time high in before coming off today. The IWM again tried to rally and couldn't. That seems to be its story. Biotech waiting to see the outcome of RFK's confirmation hearing, which is over, and whether he'll get put through or not. I haven't had a chance to read on that yet. The SMHs today kind of held serve. NVIDIA unfortunately got punished again. NVIDIA, after the big bounce back yesterday, gapped down and was just nasty today, although it is closing above the 200-day right now. AMD we traded, that has some power, got into that gap briefly, hit the 8-day and stopped. Keep an eye on that one. Amazon is trading well, just off the all-time high. Apple, despite the big downground from Oppenheimer, came running back today. It's good signs for that. And overall, the market just held serve. Starbucks had a big day. I wish I had traded it. It just took off at lunchtime and I wasn't there. And, I didn't think anything good or bad about that report. I think it was pretty okay, but the market liked it and it's run it up. So that's good to see. We'll keep an eye on that. Bottom line is we'll see what we get for earnings tonight. So if these earnings are good, and especially if CapEx spending remains at the levels we think it's, where they've announced it is, you're probably going to see NVIDIA bounce and see the market, the AI trade come running back in. If they miss or there's some problems or they guide down and they lower CapEx, we could see some problems specifically with the AI trade. With that said, everybody have a great night. I'll catch you guys live in the room in the morning. Should be a fun day tomorrow.